Okay, so I'm going to do the 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 waist attaching the waistband now. So I already pinned the waistband. Um, so this is the front, and I think everything should align up sort of correctly. The only thing I don't like doing is spinning the knit, because if your pins aren't sharp, then it, you can create holes in the knit. But okay, my clips are I don't know, they disappear. So you buy them and then they start disappearing the moment you open this thing. They jump out and they're gone. So I need to go and buy more clips. But in any case, so yeah, so I've pinned the whole thing now. So we will see I've pinned it on the sides, here where the side seam is. I just, because I want a little bit of stretch in the knit, not too much. In any case, this knit doesn't stretch a lot. So I just pinned the middle part of the knit here. So let us overlock and see where we are going, or whether we will be able to at least match the align properly there. So I'm going to start here, I think, in the, let me move this clip a bit. Hopefully we are doing this correctly. Now the knit is there, so let us see if I can at least in the front get some sort of alignment here. You can do stay stitches, but I'm not doing that. So let us see. Let me sort of slide it in there with this foot here, as deep as possible. This overlocker, the setting for this overlocker is to stop the needle in the upright position. Okay, so let's see if we can get a sort of a alignment on the pattern here. I think we should get one more or less. The pattern should align, or the print should align on the pattern on the front waistband. And let me take this one out here. Now we're doing the side here. So I think if we get that right, the hoodie should look fine. The waistband. And then we just need to attach the hood, and then do the, okay, so here we're going to the back part now. This is now the back. So let us see if we can at least see if we can get some alignment there. It looks okay. Then at least our waistband aligns more or less nicely with our, there it is still fine, but here it's not fine. Let me hold it there. Then at least our waistband aligns more or less nicely with a pattern on the front and the back panels, but we'll see. Normally you don't have to pin if you're just sewing a normal hoodie. There's no need to pin then, because there's no alignment of the print necessary. Okay, so now we're coming up to the last part here. You see there's two things. The pocket must align with with an here as well. So you know, it is not as easy. But let us see. Let me cut this one. And then we will open it. Okay. Let's turn it around. Let's start from the front. Okay. So there's the front waistband. So at least there's some alignment here. I think that looks not too bad. There's a small difference here and here. And then the side. And then let us look at the back. This is the back. So the back also looks fairly good. Everything is aligned. No problem. I think we will just do a nice stop stitch around to let the seam lay flat. But I think this looks good. There's nothing really wrong here. Let us look at the front again and just make sure that we are sort of happy. I'm tilting it around now like this so that we upside down. So there we can see. So there's slightly misaligned there and there, but I think this is fine. I think this looks fairly good. Okay.